Modiadie has successfully removed her wisdom teeth. Media personality Modiadie has taken to her social media to reveal that she has successfully removed her wisdom teeth. The star made this known through her Instagram, sharing how scared she was before she was able to get the surgery done. Wisdom teeth are the third and final set of molars that most people get in their late teens or early 20s. Pearl mentioned that she is so happy to have removed all her wisdom teeth and she had the fear of being under general anesthesia, but she's proud to have done it and came out successfully. The TV presenter scooped pictures from different moments taken at the hospital as her family and friends came to support her. Pearl said, "In a celebratory mood today, because I finally removed all 4 of my wisdom teeth. I recently developed a fear of being under general anesthesia, so I'm proud to have done it anyway, with lots of prayer and tears just before surgery." See below she wrote, "In a celebratory mood today, because I finally removed all 4 of my wisdom teeth. I recently developed a fear of being under general anesthesia, so I'm proud to have done it anyway, with lots of prayer and tears just before surgery. 1. Moments before the big extraction. 2. I met Sis's nosiphone Celia, one of the nurses at the hospital, and let's just say I'll never forget her. 3. Moments after the big extraction with my red eyes, a drip, and an ice pack on my face. Still without pain, just a little drowsiness and swelling. 4. This strong woman here making light of the situation. 5. Smiles. Because I made it through and I'm grateful to have access to proper healthcare. I never for 1 second take that for granted. 6. I miss that hospital gown already and how it made me look like a frontline worker. Thanks to my doctor and everyone at Intercare for putting me at ease and taking such good care of me. It was just for a few hours, but your kindness has gone a long way. God bless your hearts and hands. Now for what I hope is an easy recovery at home.